Hello friends, welcome back. I have a new clock for you all. Now, a little bit about this clock. This one is an eBay find. It was actually on eBay since about March or thereabouts, and I noticed that no one was buying it. And I thought to myself, why isn't anyone buying this? So after watching it for about half a year, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy this because it's cheap. What is it? Well, it turns out it is another Kienzle clock. In fact, in many ways, it is very similar to the last Kienzle clock I posted on my YouTube channel. But this one is a bit later. This comes from about 1932. And it is a Westminster chiming clock, made in Germany, of course. And like the other clock, it has wire-lifted hammers for its chime mechanism. One really neat feature of this clock, however, is that it is not a pendulum clock. It is actually a lever escapement clock. So it has a time mechanism similar to a watch. And this comes with a few advantages. Most notably, it doesn't have to be balanced. It doesn't have to be in beat. You can move the clock around and it still keeps ticking away. So it's a really, really cool find, I'd say. So yeah, here it is. Enjoy.